Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us the code for free gifts. Okay, all you need to do is to search this code in the Temu app search bar. All right, so the code is FRS 127497. FRS 127497. You click on your search icon, and if you're a new app user, you're going to be offered gifts. You're going to be offered 3, 6, you can even get up to 8 gifts. Okay, it's very, very possible. Of course, you're going to be playing the little game here to claim your gift. And yes, just choose the right egg here, and you're going to be seeing how many gifts you're being offered. If you miss it, don't worry, you get to play the game again and you get your gift. Okay, now I would say this: please always choose your gift from the page you are shown. Do not claim or get the gift and then you go off the page. Okay, in a very short time, I'm going to show you what I mean by choosing your gifts from the page you are shown. Okay, after this whole little countdown thing, it's going to come up and I'll show us to explain better. So this is the page for the free gifts. I have to choose one. So I've been given 7 free gifts. If you're a new app user, you're definitely going to be getting, the opportunity to get some amount of free gifts. So I have to choose whatever it is I want from this page. The moment I click out is gone. Whatever it is I click on another page, I'll have to pay for, and the gift will not come with it. So I have to choose my gift from this page. Okay, if you want to increase your chances of getting what you really want on the gift page, I have a video on what to do on my channel. Check it out and I guarantee it will be beneficial to you. Okay, so just go ahead and choose all the gifts. I don't want to go through all that. I don't want this video to be long. And you should know that when you're done choosing your free gift, the next thing is for you to choose your paid items. Yes, Temu gifts come with paid items. You need to pay for some items. They are called your qualifying order, your qualifying purchase. So you need to pay for some items. And then when you do that successfully, another thing, you need to get those items on the page you are shown. Do not go to another page. Okay, choose your paid items from the page you are shown. Then once you're done with that, you make your payment. You're going to be seeing in your other details, you're going to be seeing the items you were given for free, and you also see the items you paid for. And you just have to wait for your delivery, and that's it, nothing more. Remember, you need to be a new app user, but even if you're an existing user, still go ahead and input this code and see what message you get. All right, you can tell me in the comment section and we'll discuss on it. Thank you for watching. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel for more Temu coupons. I also do coupons on about the Shein app and other apps I'm going to be sharing on this channel as well. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.